Hi, I'm Philip.
Hi, I'm Ming.
Hi, I'm Alec and we're three mechanical engineers.
Hi, I'm Tom and I'm an electronic and information engineering student.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Emma, and we're both aeronautical engineering students.
And together we're Breathe Easy, a company dedicated to improving the lives of asthma sufferers.
So today we'd like to start by telling you exactly what an inhaler spacer is. It's essentially a large plastic tube that aerates the medication as it's dispersed from the inhaler. Now, GPs say that all asthma sufferers should use a spacer every time that they use their inhaler. However, most don't. Why? Well, from the asthma sufferers that we've spoken to, it seems that most of them need their inhaler when they're out and about or engaged in some kind of activity. Yet, they often don't bring their spacer with them because it's too large and cumbersome. And in addition to this, there's no way of telling if they've actually inhaled the medication or if it's been left behind in the spacer.
And that's why we developed Breathe Easy. Breathe Easy is a new and innovative technology that addresses the concerns surrounding both the portability and the usability of a spacer. So first and foremost, we've developed a spacer that's compressible. That means you can put it in a pocket or a handbag, even when you're out and about. Then on top of that, we've developed a complementary product. We've developed a product that's a strip which sits inside the spacer. When all the asthma medication in the spacer has been used up, it's indicated by this strip. We're now going to talk in a bit more depth about the business functions, our business edge, and then we're going to give some projections for the years ahead.
So to go on to our business function, what we see our business doing is the manufacture of this collapsible spacer and the complementary indicator strip. We've already worked on beginning the technology and we found that it is viable and cost efficient. And not only that, but having spoken to various customers, potential customers, we found that they're very cost insensitive as this is a healthcare product and they're ready to pay whatever is necessary to maintain their health. Now additionally, we used the Gabor-Granger price pinpointing method where we chose the price of 4 existing more basic spacers on the market and presented these 4 prices to a selection of people from the demographic that we're aiming for. And we found that actually those people were very happy to pay up to £25 for our product. Now we find this is a perfect starting point as it gives us a wide profit margin, but also it's a low enough price that we think will get excellent market penetration.
We're now going to chat in a bit of depth about our competitive edge. We think that comes from 3 main areas: the market, the business methodology, and finally the team behind the technology.
So we realise we have an edge in the market because this is a market that no one else is currently venturing into, and it's a market that's growing. According to the World Health Organization, asthma and other chronic respiratory diseases are growing in both developed and developing nations.
Now our second competitive edge comes from the fact that we're pursuing a business methodology that's essentially lean. We've identified a niche customer market. That's those who both live far away from hospitals and have severe asthma. With those 2 factors, they both have few other products they could use, and they also have a serious need for our product. By directly targeting this niche group, we can rapidly adapt and refine our product to ensure it's perfect for the customer. On top of that, that lean methodology reduces costs associated with marketing, with branding, and with manufacturing.
And finally, our team give us an edge. Not only have several of us suffered from asthma in the past, we remember what it was like to carry these clunky spacers around with us, and we know exactly what the problem is that we're trying to solve. Being at Imperial College, we have fantastic links with health centres across the country, and having spoken to several GPs, all of them have said that they would recommend our product to their patients.
Now the final thing we're going to talk about today is our business projections for the future. Our niche customer market we mentioned was those with severe asthma and those who live far away from hospitals. That intersection represents around 170,000 people in the UK. At the price point of £25 mentioned earlier, that gives a total market size of £1.05 million per annum. If we assume that we can get maybe a quarter share of that market, which you can see more justification in our PowerPoint slides, that gives roughly a 200,000 recurring revenue per year.
So, in conclusion, we'd like to reiterate that based on our business function, our projections for the future, and why we know that we have an edge going into this market, that we have a product that is going to be the base of an incredibly successful company with your help. We are enthusiastic about our product. We know that our values align with those of our customers and our distributors, and we are really looking forward to bringing a technology that's going to disrupt this industry to the market. Thank you for listening and have a great day.